Hey, everyone! If you've ever wanted to create eye-catching 3D text animations that look professional and cinematic, After Effects is your go-to tool. It's designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to add depth and animation to their text, instantly making your videos more engaging. Whether it's for intros, titles, or motion graphics, you can achieve stunning results without needing to be a motion graphics expert. Before we get into how to create stunning 3D text animations, let's make sure you have After Effects installed. If you haven't downloaded it yet, check the link in the description. This will take you straight to Adobe's official site so you can get the latest version safely. How to download and install Adobe After Effects. Follow these simple steps to get After Effects up and running. Go to Adobe's official website, link in the description, and sign in or create an Adobe account. Find After Effects in the Adobe Apps list and click Free Trial to begin the download. Install Adobe Creative Cloud, which will handle the installation for you. Once installed, launch After Effects, and you're ready to start animating. The free trial gives you access to all the essential motion graphics tools, including 3D text capabilities. This means you can test everything before making a commitment, ensuring you're comfortable with the software before fully investing. Now that After Effects is set up, let's guide you step by step to turn flat text into dynamic 3D animations. Create a new composition, open After Effects, and go to Composition. New composition to start your project. Add text to your timeline. Use the text tool, T, to type out your words and choose a bold, readable font. Enable 3D for the text layer. To give your text depth, click the 3D layer checkbox in the timeline. Adjust depth and extrusion. Open the geometry options and increase the extrusion depth to make your text pop. Add lights and shadows, go to Layer. New light and position it to create realistic highlights and depth. Animate position and rotation. Use keyframes in the Transform panel to animate the movement and rotation of your 3D text over time. Add motion blur and easing. Apply motion blur and ease to smooth out the animation and make it feel more natural. With just a few tweaks, you can create cinematic, professional 3D text animations that stand out in any video project. If you haven't installed After Effects yet, click the link in the description to download it now. You'll want the latest version to get all the newest animation tools and 3D effects. And if you're serious about improving your motion graphics skills, subscribe to our newsletter. We send out exclusive tutorials, software discounts, and animation tips straight to your inbox. The link is below. Also, if you want to learn another powerful After Effects feature, check out the video at the top right corner. In it, we explore how to use expressions for dynamic animations. That's it for today. Start experimenting with 3D text, and I'll see you in the following tutorial.